About to enjoy some ice cream and a nice little walk. Nice Sunday. No kid. Getting some delicious ice cream. Nope, I don't see no type of nuts. I'll just take strawberry, whatever that is. That's the cereal milk. Cookie butter. Look at this black vanilla. I never even heard of that. I just don't want nothing black. Like, it seems like it'll taste like licorice. So I got the puffle cone. This thing is super warm. Super, super warm. With strawberry. This don't even look like strawberry. Let me see yours. What's that?
Cookie butter.
Cookie dough. Let me taste it. Let me lick it. Let me lick it.
Cookie butter.
Oh, listen. This place is called Creamed, and when I tell you this little puffy thing, popping. This thing is like,
I should have got that.
shoulda, coulda, woulda. And you said you wanted something hot and sweet and cold. This would have been the perfect mixture, but let me get back to this before it melted in my hand. But yeah, this creamed, yeah. His ice cream was melting, so I gotta fix it. What? Wait. Where the heck did my thing go, bro?
It melted.
No. Why did you eat my stuff up? I thought I was fixing your ice cream and you was holding mine.
It melted.
Do y'all see?
It's hot out here.
No. You ate the whole Oh, man. Finished product. Yes, I did. Yes, sir. When I say this was the best ice cream that I have ever had. That didn't even look, ouch. Almost fell. That didn't even look like strawberry. It was just like a hot mess. Like paint or something. But one of the bestest of the bestest. How was that? I just going for a walk. What is that?
Ferrari.
A Ferrari in Columbus? Let's take a picture next to it.
Yeah, they got a Ferrari dealership there.
Come on, go post next to it. All right. Get on the motorcycle. He is not going to do nothing for me. Forget you. This bees is so freaking big. No, where it go? There it go. On a walk. Part 2 of the walk. Y'all hear the water? Smell like water. This is what it means to be one with nature. The toes getting their feet wet.
It's kind of look like that trail we took with the horse.
Oh, look at this one right here.
The horse trail.
Oh yeah, because it was going up and down. Oh yeah, Callie, here we come. This where your horse had his own little trail it wanted to go on. He was like, boop, boop. Oh yeah, this dude looked like it. Dang, we ain't got them horses to get up this hill. I just want to go sit next to the water though, because look at this. Ooh, it's
Somebody called a graphic cross stop.
somebody
somebody
does
tried.
that stupid stuff.
Somebody tried. Can't be right here with the kids.
I can't be right here with me. Trying to record, I could fall. Don't do that. And you gonna slide, you might slide right on down there. Oh, this definitely looks like the horse trail. Look. Oh, let me get on. Let me get on your back so we can feel like I'm on the trail. Really high there. And You better chill out, man. You gonna go. I cannot help you if you fall down this thing. Like, for real. I ain't those. Look, I'm gonna stand right here. I know where I can go. This is so retarded. Look. You got scared?
I don't know what that was.
You heard that? It sounded like a snake. It said. What was you about to do if you didn't hear that, though? Because clearly this is steep. Yeah, go ahead. I'm not getting close to you. Do it. Go.
Close. Come on.
So you don't want to do it no more? Go ahead. Do stupid stuff for the camera. You said it sounded like a mouse. Okay, we in the woods. You said it's a field mice. You are one with nature. See, he could do all this. I'm sitting here with
Everything in your life.
That's pretty cool. That might live there. Oh yeah, we getting him mixed and we coming back. So we are still in the woods.
Still in the woods.
I have to use the bathroom.
She has to use the restroom, and I'm saying let's leave before the sun goes down.
No. Let's get lost. Let's become one with nature. Let's become one. Not two, but one. You see that? I love giving him my trash.
Here.
No.
That motherfucker gonna be right there.
Peppa Pig, why? Anyways, you guys. Yes. Concluding our walk.